Hello dear kids, welcome back to our maths class. Let's continue our chapter number 7, measurement. In previous video you learned to measure length. Now we will learn to measure capacity. So what is capacity? Capacity of a container is the amount it can hold. The bigger glass can hold more water and the smaller glass can hold less water. So the capacity of bigger glass is more and the capacity of smaller glass is less. Sugar can be kept in containers of different capacities. Look at the containers. The biggest container has most capacity. The big container has more capacity. The small container can hold less sugar than big container. And the smallest container has the least capacity. Now you can see here a bottle and a mug which holds more water. Let's see. To tell which holds more water, we pour the water into two identical containers and then compare. See, the mug holds more water than the bottle. Now look at here. Take the container with more capacity. You can see a fish tank and jug. So, which can hold more water? Fish tank. So, take there. Now we will do exercise in our maths textbook. So, open your maths textbook, page 101, exercise 7.3, question number 1. Look at the pictures carefully and then match each of to the correct word. In the questions that follow, mark a tick in the correct box. First we have to do matching. This is heaviest, light, heavier, lighter, lightest and heavy. So first of all find heaviest thing. Which thing is heaviest? Cupboard. So join heaviest to the cupboard. Next is light. So which thing is light? Bag. So join light with bag. Next is heavier. What is heavier? Fridge. So join heavier with fridge. Next is lighter. So which thing is lighter? Eraser. Eraser is lighter than bag. So join lighter with eraser. Next is lightest. Which thing is lightest? Needle. So join like this. Next is heavy. What is heavy? Suitcase. So join suitcase with word heavy. Now look at the questions. What is lighter than the suitcase? Fridge or purse? What is lighter than the suitcase? So this is suitcase. This is lighter or fridge? Purse. So in purse we have to take correct. What is heavier than the purse? So this is purse. What is heavier than the purse? Suitcase or eraser? You can see here suitcase and eraser. What is heavier? Suitcase. So tick here in suitcase. Next is the suitcase the heaviest? Suitcase is the heaviest? No. What is heaviest? Cupboard. So write down here no. Tick here in no. Next is the needle the lightest? Needle is the lightest? Yes. So tick in yes. Now question number 2, match the following. Here you can see different size of containers, a mug, tumbler, bucket and tank. Each has different capacity. So this has least capacity and tank has most capacity because tank is biggest one. Less capacity and more capacity. So now we will join these words with their containers. So less capacity, most capacity. Which has most capacity? Biggest one has. So biggest is tank. So join line to the tank. Next is least capacity. Which container has least capacity? Smallest one has. So which container is smallest? Mug. So join least capacity word with a mug. Like this. Okay? Now more capacity. Which has more capacity? Less capacity and more capacity. So join more capacity with bucket. Now question number 3. Color the one that holds more. Okay, which container can hold more water? See here, this is a jug and this is kettle. So jug can hold this much water and this kettle can hold this much water. So which container can hold more water? Jug. So we have to color in the jug. Next. Mug can hold this much water and this tumbler can hold this much water. So which can hold more water? This tumbler. So we will fill color in this tumbler. See, like this you have to fill color. Okay children, you have to complete till here. Bye bye.